private talk different from that, but I don't want to go back into it. But we will talk. We will talk separately.
Because you left over here this morning good, so I wonder why the mood and
Okay. We wrap it up already. We wrap it up already.
okay, you wanna play a battle?
I'm gonna tell them I'm gonna eat first. Then my guys, we did the veggie rice with the colored one stuff in it, and vegetables of course, cause we're healthy over here, and the stew peas will think fix tail and stuff like that.
Might be a problem.
So I feel like I say to your face as well, cause the internet already has me as a bad person. So I better them can't have it to say I did say to you. The our personal business, I would love going forward to be private. If it's that, if it's that,
Stop taking me out. Why fuck you text me tell me say? Talk Trev. Yeah.
I would love what we have to remain private. If it's that, because I don't want to control myself. I feel like you're a very emotional person and stuff. So like your emotions show on your face and your actions. So to be honest, I don't feel like you can like control your emotions. So if it's best for us, like they don't have to share screen or play a match together and stuff, I'm down with that also. But if it no say we can just be chill and cool, then we can do a thing same way and stuff. But the wherever we stand, I don't want internet to be in it anymore. Cause you saw what happened earlier today, and
Trev, I'm gonna get so let me to talk to you the 1 minute. Wait them, I so audio. Just go and build up me so audio I'm very much. If at the part with the person about them are like candle and them are the witchcraft. To be honest, that particular person is just trying to look at clout, seeking fame, want to be relevant, want to be in spotlight. It's something you do more than once. It's something you do twice, over and over, doing it. He do it last year when they take Body Good Life. He was like, who do this? And he was also joint allegation and spreading rumors and other people saying that is this and that is that. Even me inch chipan already. So just don't be afraid of what man because it's nothing. A last man Messi Paya say much IV take people life in warded and in carded. Every day they say in dead. Everything. So nobody take that make it be personal and make you feel no way. Just do not answer them because when you answer them, you just come back TikTok and you're famous more than them. So when you give them an answer, people going to know who is them because they give you an action and you is going to give them a reaction. So people is going to recognize them. You see how much they do I'm wait until this morning for me and them by live 125 people are watching me 4 o'clock when everybody there in bed. I won't recognize them. I don't answer them. I not go answer them when 2,000 hard people are watching. 2,000 hard people say who I'm communicate with, who I'm lowering my standard to know that that particular person is exit. No, you can't appear them no mind. Everybody are gonna know you're famous because Tikki is so famous. But as I say, you want your personal life to keep private. I also understand that, and it can be kept private if that's what you want.
I didn't call a person name either, so who don't know, don't know. person, I'm not gonna call her name. So who don't know just don't know. So it's what it is. And to be
And
honest,
if someone went to your Tiki, someone went to Trev house, someone went to your house.
two people, two persons.
You heard the name of who?
No. Hey, you come here before, right? You know that if because the lobby attendant would have stopped the sign that there for announce yourself. So I guess they were stopped. And with them say who them come to or whatever. But I don't know. But I don't know who the persons are, to be honest. But it was three of them.
So probably didn't come to you.
Who come to me? The first thing, but the only Batman that come here is Junior. And you guys at the time, no other else. So who else? I know somebody may know.
And you reported it to the police that that
Somebody somebody may know them when I tell me that they're coming to my place or me don't say that I'm not let me up. I'm not gonna call, I'm not gonna text, I'm not getting nothing.
one people. I guess you should go to the police and report it to the police. Even
Listen,
if the man cannot.
we talk about the police situation and the tit for tat something. Saying that make no sense for going on the road here. We talk about the police something. So let's not go down that road.
So what
Cause
you have to do?
hmm?
So
He
what
said,
you
"Well,
going
let
to
them
do?
know, come back again and them never get to come upstairs."
Oh, you mean no so then can get to come up there.
I don't know it was who chat, I don't know it's who. I don't know.
So camera is not on the
Yeah, I don't need to do that. Honestly, because I'm not really busy, I'm not really care. I just feel them go too far with
because then come and hurt you, would want to say who are who so you know why they hurt you. Why don't you tell someone if somebody downstairs in the lobby that you in a dispute with somebody and you do not know if a them come to your house must hurt or harm you, so you do not want to go to the police station and press charge on them when they are innocent. So you want to make sure it's them before you go ahead and proceed the matter and put it in the government hand. So you explain all of that to them and ask them if they can give you a review of the camera who came earlier on in the day before you arrived.
so when I know who came here, because I think we know who came here, to be honest.
Tell
Think
Banks
about
Miss who come.
think we know who come here. We're not forget the camera no, we're not dumb. Who you think would I come here? Who know I'm live? Who you think would I come here, Tiki? I'm gonna talk to you already. I'm gonna go police. 'Cause obviously, I know all of them name, government name.
Why this are check out rough, this are check out too for.
So when I need to go get
Yeah,
my
start type people name in my chat, please. Listen me. Guys, I do not want anyone name to be typed in my life.
that's it. That's it, man. People that was on listening and watching. Let me get one, Drew.
Trev, I believe you should the matter can get worse if you do not take it up in hand and take serious action of what
Tiki.
happened.
Hey, let me put the say Tiki. 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 I could have done that. I can do that right now. I can walk to the station right now. The PC is not far away. The tit for tat. You have done some stuff, Tiki, that because they're not against on me, but they have on you,
No,
and
they don't.
the
They do
stuff
not.
the stuff that you have said multiple times can get you in problem.
Okay, hear what? Solve your problem, I will stand my problem. My granny always tell me say every tub have to sit on for their own battery. This a phone I would me see right after don't sit on for the other phone battery. So hear me I say. You solve your one and me solve my one. Me fight my war and you fight your one with your. So take action. So you're not gonna make because of me you're gonna dead. So take action and your anything will happen to you now. So when you give them an action, they can come ahead and proceed. I give a reaction because I do not care. How so serious people were willing to fight war with me. If me call them on a $50 million for lawyer or anything, I have their support. They have my back. More than I do. But before anything happen to you, or before it matter goes serious, I guess you should report it to the police or go ahead into the lobby and ask the person there that was there today if you can have a preview of the camera of the person that
I
came
just
to
asked for it.
the
I just asked for it.
yeah.
Guys, my moderators are working too much. I'm gonna fill the chat again. I'm seeing two people getting muted, so that means that you guys are being rude. Like we can't even open up the chat so everybody can talk. Oh my god.
So so if anybody come over here with it, my moderator them serious. I'm at half at me call Shana. Cause him no black, him no mute, a straight black, him black. But you have to go ahead before anything wrong with you. I take action. Alright, Shay. Shana! Where you there? Come over here live right or so. Alright. So
Hold on. I wanted to look. I wanted to look for somebody. Come on.
take action. When I get the video, I see who came by your house. Even
I just asked for a ticket. I just asked for
I'm
it.
telling you, Trev, even if you get the video, you don't have to go ahead right away and report to them. You can reach out to them and say, hey, I heard I was
Which was the who? Ticket.
I
First
was
of all,
out and I heard that you came by my house.
somebody got my number today. And yet, listen to me, guys. I don't even have a personal number. Like I do, but it's only on WhatsApp. You can't call that number straight. I only have a business number. You get me? And if somebody texts me today, like I know who the person is, but I ask them now, how you got my number?
Come my side, maybe gonna two roses. Well, it rough. Me know say two me love police and me a 911 girl. I'm is a police kete. Nobody now go certain things.
Yeah. So the people them can go now.
Roses guys.
And again, guys, who want to unfollow me? Unfollow me. I don't mind. I don't care. Who are you blocking? But isn't still a block people?
Roses chat. Why you say if they wanna unfollow you, Trev? Why should they unfollow you?
Who want to go now and stuff? I'm gonna take him a mute for a bit. Yeah.
Guys, me not make nobody. Me afraid for walking in New York. I mean, I make nobody make me have no fear or no doubt. You can't be upset because if you can't be upset in your feelings to saying just a come for over here or reach and yard and here's a tree somebody could go look for me. I feel that way. In your feelings too. So no can look cheap and that guys. And a vibes what happen. Guys, 3 and a chat. 3 and a chat. Trev, Chat double. Guys, double chat.
Yeah.
Your mother, your people them did call you according to the comment section. About me.
Tikki, do not say we're gonna talk off the air.
Guys, we're gonna something. Guys, we're gonna something. Guys, we're gonna something chat. Where's the Stormy Show? As I say, Trev said from now on there will be no more me and you.
Thank you, Black Beauty.
Ain't Trev?
And you see why I don't like when my comments on? It's why I'm always sub the comment section. Can nobody could come to me and not something like that. See? So for those who say again, see it here. It's one TikTok order. I'm not sell candy, but yes, still, I need ticket for sell my core candy. Make it make sense.
Jojo, be something. Me confused on me last right now. Hello?
Everybody who's tapping the screen, appreciate.
Me never hear when he said that the part if I on the live with me and him. Me never hear when he did this so.
What me am telling you?
9 days candy now sell. And I just made a sale, not even talking about candy. And y'all did what y'all did earlier today. I'm like candle for me and the things them. And some of my business I got down.
Trev, me can't talk to you. Me can't
I'm a
talk to
company
you.
life address. And it's so fucking like dumb people.
No, I want to talk to this man. I want to say this man the live right in front of him and the people them. Trev,
Eh?
Trev, you hear me now?
But before Tikki and Sucker, I was dead, my candy suit.
He don't want you. Leave him alone, brother.